Congratulations, my friend. You finally hit that magic number, the one you've been dreaming about for years, the six-figure, $100,000 a year paycheck. You thought that once you reached this point, all your problems would just evaporate. But why are you still staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m.? Why are you whispering to yourself, where did all the money go? Let's be honest. You're making the most money you've ever made, yet you feel poorer than ever. What a massive contradiction, right? You earn so much, but poverty just won't leave you alone. Listen to me. This isn't because you're bad at math. It's because the American success illusion has trapped you in a hamster wheel. It all started the day you got that promotion. You thought, I make six figures now. I can stop shopping at Walmart and start going to Whole Foods. I can dump my old reliable Honda for a shiny new Tesla with an $800 a month payment. And right then, you started building the walls of your own prison. Let's spend that $100,000 together. First, Uncle Sam is waiting at the door. He takes nearly 30% in taxes before the money even hits your account. Now you're down to $70,000. Then you need an apartment that fits a successful person in Austin or Seattle or your favorite neighborhood. That's another $30,000 to $35,000 gone. Now add in those never-ending student loans, those 15 different subscriptions that turn into a monster every month, a $150 phone bill, and those expensive, mediocre dinners out, just to socialize. Look at what's left. Do you see the trap now? All that remains is a handful of stress and the struggle to survive until the next payday. It's sad. It is truly sad. The most painful part? You're not actually earning more money. You're just renting a more expensive life. And you're paying for this rented life with your most valuable asset, your time. But trust me, you are not alone. Most people who hit that magic $100,000 goal act exactly the same way. Look around you. Those perfect lives on Instagram, the luxury vacations, the $7 pumpkin spice lattes every single day. That is just a status tax. You are paying that tax just to say, I made it, to people who don't even care. But your bank account doesn't lie. And right now, it's bleeding out. The American dream always told you to want more, but it never taught you how to keep what you have. The system doesn't want you to save. It wants you to spend. It doesn't want you to be free. It wants you to be a slave to that six-figure salary. The secret only reveals itself when you learn how to keep what you earn. I deserve this. That sentence is a bullet aimed directly at your financial future. Every luxury you buy with that phrase is a piece stolen from your retirement, from your kid's college fund, or from that dream trip around the world. Look at the people who are actually wealthy. I mean, really wealthy. You'll notice they don't obsess over luxury brands or flashy cars. Here is the outlier truth. A man in America making $50,000 who knows how to manage his money is wealthier than a successful executive making $150 who is drowning in credit card debt. Because wealth isn't the number on your paycheck. It's how much of that money stays with you and how much freedom it buys. You are in golden handcuffs right now. As your salary grows, the handcuffs get shinier, but they still hurt your wrists. You're probably thinking, Eva, life is just too expensive. How is this my fault? Yes, life is expensive, but your mistake is surrendering to it. Your mistake is letting your lifestyle explode just because your income did. Let's break this cycle today. Stop the status war. Stop borrowing money to impress people. Start making that $100,000 actually yours. I bet that the moment you start doing this, you will feel happier, safer, and more at peace.
Because at the end of the day,
That void you feel while driving home in your shiny Tesla, it's not about the things you didn't buy. It's the silent scream for financial peace. If you don't stop today, I'll be writing this same script for you when you make 200,000, because then your debts will be bigger, your ego will be bigger, but your soul will still feel broke, and the spiral will just keep going. Put the coffee down. Start plugging the invisible holes in your bank account, one by one. Remember, you are worth so much more than your money. But as long as you let money rule you, you will always be a slave to a number. Take control. Don't let the money rule you. Rule the money. You're not alone in this journey. Eva is here, and we are going to hack this system together. Because real success isn't the salary the system gives you. It's the courage to live without needing it. Now, stand up. Take off that wealthy but broke mask. It's time to be truly free. Because at the end of this road, it's not a number waiting for you. It's real peace of mind. I'll share more life-changing insights in the next video. Take care of yourself.